everyone. My name is Sumana Datta Chaudhary and I am the featured writer for the July issue of the AMP magazine. I am a senior R&D professional working in a health and hygiene company and have been working in the corporate since 15 years. It's only 5 years back that the writing bug has bitten me, and I started with my blog site at WordPress. It's only last year, 2019 October, my first book, The Third Eye and the Other Tales, got published. I'm very thankful to my publisher Loxley Hall and my literary agent Bookbakers. Of course, a special note of thanks to my family, to my daughter, to my husband, to my parents, all the friends and colleagues whose unlimited support has helped me navigate through this incredible journey of writing. I'm going to talk about a very unique topic today, and a relevant topic, I must say, which is mental health. Now, mental health is a combination of emotional and cognitive well-being of a person. We know that a strange situation has struck us, COVID-19. We never dreamt of such a situation. And there are a lot of unprecedented changes around us. I would say a black swan in our life. In this context, mental health becomes more relevant. And when we have a physical disorder, a physical health issue, we don't hesitate to go to a doctor or take pills or nutrient supplements to make ourselves fit physically. Mental health also needs that kind of an attention and thinking, thought process to imbibe the practices of mental health. I would say writing has given me that balance in my life. I would urge all of us to follow our passion. Mental health do need a fodder, some nutrients which can be in form of following our passion. Do what you like to do. Whether you like writing, you like painting, you like talking to your friends, connecting with people, of course digitally, and playing, because everyone has uniqueness and hence has some passion to follow. That immensely takes care of the balance in our life, takes care of mental health. I would like to congratulate and thank Ms. Shushrita, Mr. Vikrant, to come up with this concept of an e-magazine called AMP, which all the more emphasizes that writing is such a bliss, and it encourages writers, young authors, budding authors, to put their subscriptions, to put their submissions in this noble cause. I thank AMP magazine, and I think you guys have done a brilliant job in terms of propelling the culture of writing. Please subscribe to the link given below in the description to get a copy of the magazine in order to read my article.